Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G56 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down and find the security and privacy. Then let's tap on device unlock and tap on fingerprint. Before you will be able to set the fingerprint, you have to set a regular screen lock. Of course, if you've got one, you will be transferred to another step. If not, you have to do it right now, and I will choose the pattern. So let me just quickly set the pattern, tap on confirm. Here we've got the notification content, so just mark the option like to use and then tap on done. Tap on setup. And here we've got the information, the instructions, what we have to do. So we simply have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button. So let me just do it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. It will be a little bit easier if you will take off the case. I didn't do that and now I'm struggling. Alright, let's tap on done. And this is the fingerprint section. That's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it or add another fingerprint. So now all we have to do is to lock the device and check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see it is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.